watching. In a friendly cat family's cozy embrace, the kitten awoke from a nightmare's chase. His jaw was sore, his dream not serene. Karate lessons with the parrot, a chaotic scene. The parrot's bold claim, so grand and loud, annoyed the kitten, made him feel quite proud. For he thought all birds, with their cheeky prance, were just as impudent, lacking in elegance. The yard's hen, a trickster in her own right, teased the owner, causing quite a fight. She'd mock and jest, in playful spree. To her, no cat or kitten could agree. The sparrows and crows, they joined in the fun, laughing at Mommy Cat as she set out to run. To work she would go, amidst their cackling spree. But in this cat family, love was the key. Yet, the climax of Kitten's bird-hating spree was the tale of ice cream. Oh, what a spree! By the seaside, the owner's treat did take flight. Snatched by a seagull, oh, what a sight! The fish joined the laughter, all around they cawed. The kitten was determined, on a mission he clawed. To the seashore he went, with courage in his stride. Confronting the seagull, he couldn't let it slide. The seagull, surprised, yielded the treat. For the kitten's brave heart, a noble feat. Back home they cheered, his courage on display. In this friendly cat family, a memorable day. The mistress sang praises, the parrot chimed in. Daddy cat, though annoyed, hid a grin. With smiles, they all laid their worries to rest. In a loving family's embrace, they were truly blessed.